This is our Fieldstone Lane complex, which is in Hermon. It's just off the Annis Road. And this is unit number 19. And these are all 2-bedroom, 2-bath units. Some of them actually do have a half bath downstairs, but this one has just the 2 baths. Some of the units have a front kitchen, which this one does have. Some of them have the kitchens in the back and the living room in the front. But this one does have the front kitchen. These are nicer units. They do have lots of cabinet space, nice appliances. This is a dishwasher. Sink. The windows do have blinds in them that are provided by the landlord. Built-in microwave, 5-burner glass top stove. The fridge does have an ice maker in it. And these units do have nice wood laminate floors, which are very nice, easy clean. The only place there's carpet is on the stairs. And this is the dining room, living room combo. Lots of space here. Most people would put a dining room set here, but plenty of room for a sectional couch, chairs as well. And then there's a doorway out to the back. There's no actual deck here. What you have is a crushed rock patio. And there's a couple of steps. It's looking out on the wood area out back. And then over here is the door down to the basement, where the washer dryer hookup is. And these are all full-size basements, so there's plenty of room for storage down here. So this is where the washer dryer hookup is. And again, lots of room for storage. It's pretty clean and dry. We do recommend a humidifier, possibly in the summer months when it does get kind of humid, depending on what you want to store down here. Previous tenant left an air conditioner unit behind and a dehumidifier unit. These units do have 2 thermostats or temperature controls. There's one down here in the living room, and then there's also one upstairs in the master bedroom. Again, the only place there is a carpet is on the stairs. And then up here is a linen closet. And then up here is the second bedroom, or smaller bedroom, which is a pretty good size. It would fit a queen-size bed, no problem. Some people use it as an office or storage. And this does have a good-sized closet. This actually goes all the way down to the wall, so it's pretty decent size. And this does have a cable hookup. It has that in both bedrooms. And again, it does have 2 full baths, so this would be the guest bathroom. Tub and shower. And there's tile in the bathrooms. And then you come into the master bedroom, and this is the master bathroom. It has a nice granite top vanity. And again, tub and shower. And then this is a pretty good sized master bedroom. It would fit a king size bed, no problem. And then it has a very large closet, which is has two doors, but it's all one closet here. And there's the thermostat temperature control for the upstairs. So that is the video tour for 1009 Fieldstone Drive, which is off the Annis Road in Hermon. If you have any questions, you can contact us or visit us at rentbangor.com, phone number 974-6606.